How to delete a Gmail account permanently. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bhupen Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete a Gmail account permanently. Now, in order to delete your Gmail account, you can do so from your device settings. You can open up the Google account associated with your Gmail account, or you can simply open up your Gmail, tap on the profile icon there, and then what you want to do is you want to make sure you're signed into the particular account that you wish to delete your Gmail off, and then tap on the Google account option here. Once you do so here, you can see you'll be headed to this Google account settings. If you wish to switch account from here as well, you can tap on your email address there and you can switch from here. Now here you want to head into the data and privacy option and then scroll down. And once you scroll down, you should be able to see the option that says data from apps and services that you use. You can see content saved from Google services. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it here, let it load up. You can see you'll get two different options: download your data and delete a service. Simply tap on delete a service. It'll ask you to continue to enter in your passcode here. You should go through the verification process. Now simply tap on delete a Google service here. Delete a service, Google service, because your Google account is associated, your Gmail account is associated to this particular Google account, right? So tap on continue and then go through the passcode option here. And now you should be able to delete your Gmail account. Let it load up. You'll be able to see the services that are connected with your Google account. You can see my Google account has YouTube account, Gmail account, and Play Games account. You can see Gmail. You want to simply tap on the trash icon beside the Gmail. Then enter in your email address here, go through the verification, and once you go through the verification, you'll be able to delete it. So this way you can delete your Gmail account permanently. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.